guard, and I went to collar and sleeve guard and did a collar drag. Okay, look, collar. You watch my bicep here. I went here. Knee, hip, here. Right up here. Okay. Came up in a turtle. Okay. What happens here is you're gonna need to do what I call a crappy back. So what you're gonna do is this. Bring your leg here, okay? And you're gonna just start going down to your knee and turning yourself this way, okay? As your right foot hooks his right shin, okay? When you're here, on your head. So you're here, look, this is one way to do it. Crappy back take, and all you're doing is that you're driving this foot back, your knee to the mat, and you're turning to hug the hip. What I want to do is I want to get my left foot under his right foot here, okay? And I want to sit back. So from here, grab his foot, he's like here, I'm a little back, and we're here for a nice crotch stretch here. Pull to my chest, extend the legs here. Not the funnest.
Well, you picked you and not me for that.
So look, what you want to do is you want to almost take the back, but you want to weave your right leg into going to what Eddie Bravo calls the truck. Okay. So look, and we're here, and all I'm doing is bringing my knee to the mat, and my right foot is hooking his right leg. You see how it went over here? My left foot hooks here, and my right foot goes behind my left foot. My left hand grabs his foot here, and all I'm going to do right now, just to make it easy, I'm going to just roll backwards here, pull, and straighten my legs here. You keep pulling here, hook here, gavel grip, pull into your chest, and your legs extend outward. That. If he brings his knee to his chest to defend, okay, pull this. This is a banana split, I think.
It sucks.
I'm not sure which one's a crotch ripper.
This one's ripping more than the other one.
One's a banana split, the other one is a crotch ripper. I don't know, whatever. And then you extend here, okay? So, and then you have this, but this is illegal. Right here. Okay? So, as you see, here is the configuration here. Your right leg hooks their right leg here, and your right arm hugs their hip. Go here, and I'm going to just sit back, rolling back, and extend this here. Pull this out, hook it here, gavel grip it, pull it all to your chest, and then extend the legs out that way. Some do it where they extend the legs and pull this to your chest, but it's not as powerful. Lock it to your chest, extend, and here. He brings that knee to his chest, you're here, grab here, again pull it, and then extend the leg. As you're just preventing his cross and stretch. So for you guys, bring your head that way. All you can do here is just this. Look, bring your right foot in, put your right knee down. You move your right foot over his calf, okay? And from here, you even have a calf slicer.
How is your weight distribution right there? Like, are you?
I'm hugging his hip. I cannot let him get arms on the inside here, okay? Because I can sit back or I can roll forward, okay?
Which do you prefer?
I don't know. Depends. If you go here, this is not bad here, but I should have rolled forward because there's a wall. Over here, you gotta be literally looking backwards here. So we're here, hook my leg here, and I can roll over. Walking that look. You have crotch ripper.
Yeah.
He brings his knee to his chest. You lock it here. You extend. he hooks his leg on the outside there, okay, to defend it. Now I can't pull it. I'm going to pull his leg here, grab his top of his foot, put my left foot on the gas, and just extend that way. Okay. He uses this leg to kick this hand off. Not the hand. The hand. And my wrist part. Go back to this here, and then you go here. Now you got, what do you call it? Twister. So from here, okay, from here, and here, like his head, right here, right across that scalp. But all that's illegal. So, for all you crotch rippers, look, Phil, point your head now, okay? The thing is that it's tough to get your leg in through here, so it's easier to get it in here, and you go in here like a crappy backache, and you're just trying to bring the knee down and move here. You want to hook this foot here, so your left foot hooks under his right. Just grab his foot here, and you're just going to sit back, and your right foot locks, and then now you're entering the truck. Well, cable grip, lock it here. Yeah, see, it's super tight. Oh, he hugs his knees. Look, 1, 2. Don't do this, because he can do the same thing to you. Okay? No, meaning, he'll pull your foot. Yeah, you don't want that. Okay? You want this here. He kicks the wrist off. Okay? You go back to this. We lock it. He rehooks it. So forth here, here, and then here, right across the head. And if all else fails, and you kind of can't quite get it here, you just take, you take the back. Yeah. So one more. That's fine. Head that way. Yeah. I'll roll over this way. Knee, chin, here, look, hook here, and all I'm going to do now is like pull, and I'm going to push myself this way here, and I'm going to roll over my right shoulder. Here, and you still wound up with your head that way. Okay. Here's crotch rip or banana split, I don't even know. Here, lock it, and stretch it. You don't even need to do anything else. Alright, so you have your head that way? Yes, sir.
If he ends up turtling with his elbows off the mat, like you've taught us, do you just push them forward with the collar? Or?
Man, I gotta tell you. Out of way. This way here. Here. And now. This way here. Yeah. There we go. Okay. I want to pull this and lift and stretch here. Because automatically they're going to pull the knee to there. Hug it, pull them in with your legs, and then extend with your feet. Brings it to his chest. Hook here, pull it in again. Nice extension down to the mat, right here. From here, he brings this in on the gas. He pushes the wrist. I go back to it here. He defends it. Here. 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 And now you kind of have to stretch them out. And then from here, 1, 2, right across the Yamakizzle. Here. Yeah, for whatever reason, you may not have been able to get it over because he's defending here. You're like, oh, here, here, here. And you get the back. Okay? So, last thing I need you guys to do is this. You stand right here, put your right hook in, okay? Put your chest on him, bring your right knee down to the mat, and your right shin over there, right calf. From here, pick their foot up, hook it right there, grab grab their, whatever this is, foot, and then sit back. And roll back. Roll them back and stretch your leg out. Hug it. Sit up. And stretch it. But the key is you keep stretching this because it's very difficult for him to get out of this right here. Because this is a kind of a twister hook with this the trunk. So here. And lift this up. You have a very good control hit here, and you're good. Okay. If you want to really be able to do it easy here, you can do it this way. Sit, your right elbow over his, whatever this is right here, left foot here, and then lock it right here. Grab this and roll to your back. Here, left hand, hold this out here, hook it, chest, and then this all brings the knee towards you. Gable grip, pull it into your chest, and a little fun. All right, let's do this. What do you think? Right leg, you could be sitting, you could be sitting back there.